Go. Let's work on the class activity 2. Project Management Institute. It's the professional project management membership organizations. So you want to learn more about it, the company, you can try to click on the link. It will take you there. And there are different kinds of certification. The one I was talking about is this one, called Certified Associate in Project Management. And for you to pass that, you have to study the book called PMBOK. In the PMBOK, they have a list of knowledge areas they want to be familiar with. So in this course, we are going to familiar with 10 of them, called scope management, time management, cost quality, human resource, procurement, and stakeholder management. Questions.